Hello friends, my name is Radha Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic nominal group technique. Friend, this is a very important topic and very interesting topic with respect to project management. If you are a student and studying project management in university or you are planning to give exam of PMP, so this is an important topic and at least 3 to 4 questions you will see in the exam in which your concept related to nominal group technique will be checked. Secondly, friend, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization as a project manager or managing the IT or software projects, so again, this is necessary for you to understand the concept of nominal group technique. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Nominal group technique. Friend, first of all, try to understand one thing that this is a topic which we have taken from the PMBOK Project Management Body of Knowledge, and this is purely a topic related to project management. So, first of all, think that all the topic and discussion is basically related to project management, or it discuss about a project. So nominal group technique, what is basically a nominal group technique? Nominal group technique is defined as a structured method for group brainstorming that encourage contribution from everyone and facilitate quick agreement on the relative importance of issues, problems or solutions, etc. Basically, friends, see, this was only just a definition. See, nominal group technique basically a technique which is based on to reach on some consensus point. Like it is basically a brainstorming session. Like first of all thing, like what is brainstorming session? Brainstorming session means that like 4 to 5 people sit together and they discuss their ideas, their thoughts, and after some discussion they reach to some agreement level. They reached at some point which is acceptable for everyone. For example, let me give you an example here. What does it mean? For example, you want to start a new startup company. Okay, your 5 friends are sitting together. They are giving you thoughts, ideas. Okay, creative ideas. For example, let me give you an example. Like you can start a new software house. You can start a new service industry company. You can make a mobile application through which you can provide food for to through restaurants, etc., etc. So any new ideas which is some creative, which is new, which has some energy and you can think that it can work, so these ideas can be discussed. And remember friend, one thing, that the brainstorming session should be creative, should be focused, and should be result oriented. Okay, this should not be a case that people are sitting honestly and sitting together and they are not producing any result. So the nominal group technique, basically it's a type of brainstorming session in which basically every person, like whoever, like any, if there is any issue, problem or need some solution, so the team members sitting together, everyone one by one they stand up, they give their ideas, their thoughts, and after some time, like you give everyone have the opportunity to think about it, to give their ideas, and after some point level you give some score or some priority to every thought, and then you can take a decision or thought about something. Okay, let me give you another example here. For example, uh, you have noticed that whenever you deploy the build at production, there is some issues, there is some problem on production. Okay, so what you can do, you can make a nominal group technique here. How you can do that? Like you as a project manager, other technical resources, the deployment team, they can sit together, like 5 to 6 people can sit together in the meeting room, and every person you give him a chance that he can give his idea, his thought. So one by one every person can any person can stand up and he can give his thoughts, his ideas about why the problem is occurring, what is the issue, and you can give score to his idea, his thoughts, and after some time you can think that whoever has the highest score, you can take a decision about it. You can go with his decision, with his thoughts. So this is called as the concept of the nominal group technique. Basically, nominal group technique is a brainstorming session in which every person who is participating will have the opportunity to share his thoughts, share his opinion about problems, issues, solutions, and as a project manager, as a group, you can assign some scores, some points to the things, and after that you can take a decision about it. So this is called the concept of nominal group technique. When to use this technique, friend? When First of all, the team members should be vocal. This is very important. Like for example, five people are sitting and they are not participating, and they are not giving any thoughts. So obviously, this cannot be successful. This cannot be a result oriented. First of all, the participants should be vocal. Like vocal means that they should be upfront. They should be giving their ideas and thoughts. This is very important. uh, us, uh, uh, First, and then the thinking should be very good. Like silence should not be there. Like no one should be silent. Everyone should have to participate. Everyone should have to give his opinion, thoughts, and ideas, share his opinion. This is very important. If you note that someone is not participating, so you should have to urge them, should have to force them to give their thoughts. This is very necessary. um, Also, this is very common mistake here is that normally people don't share their ideas. It's a very most of the people are shy and they are not willing to share the thoughts. So you have to force them, you have to enforce them that to share their ideas, their thoughts. This is necessary. Sometime it happened that few team members are new, and they are not so much mingled with everyone. So due to that reason, sometimes they are not giving the ideas. So again, you have to make sure that the new people should also be participate in the group discussions. If the issue is controversial or conflicting, so again, make sure that the issue should not become the session should not become a blame game, like people are blaming to each other. So it should not be happen, and we have to make sure like that. What is the steps, friend? First of all, the problem, issue, solution, whatever, it should be properly stated. Like as a project manager, you should have to state that what actually the problem is, what actually the objective of the brainstorming session. Then you can, for example, if five people are there, so one by one you can call them, and first of all you have to state that what actually the problem issue is. Every person should have the clarity that what is the purpose of the brainstorming session. And then after that, give some time to every person, like at least 5 to 10 minutes, just to think about it, what the about the brainstorming session, the objective of brainstorming session. And then you can call one by one every person. Every person can come and give at least 10 to 15 minutes about his thoughts, about his ideas, the about the question, issue, and problem. And one by one every person can came, and you can give score, or as a group you can give scores and points to the thoughts, ideas. And after that, you are based on the collective scoring or weightage, you can take a decision about the problem. So this is called the concept of the non nominal group technique. Here, friend, I just can give you an example here. For example, user requirements, estimated points, person 1, person 2, person 3. So this is the example chart sheet for nominal group technique, in which you can see like the user requirements we have mentioned here. And we have given person 1 as point number 21, person 2.13, and person 3 again person 21. So you can from the opinion from the above figure, you can easily understood that the requirement number 1 has a good number, and the requirement number has the highest number. So basically friend, just take it as an example here, and the purpose of making this type of user requirement or the nominal group technique is to conduct a brainstorming session in which everyone got the opportunity to share his thoughts and ideas, and based on the point scoring system, we can reach to some decision, we can reach to some conclusion point. So this is called the concept of nominal group technique. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.